Hi there, it's Henry here from EWI Store. In today's video, I'm just going to explain a little bit about waterproof renders. So, old traditional renders, such as your sand cement, other forms of render as well, such as monocouche or scratch render, that sort of thing, they can be porous, which means that they can let water in. And that water ingress can affect your internals, so you can have large damp spots inside. It can affect the substrate, or it can actually affect the render itself. So it can start to break down, or it can kind of blow sections of that render, which generally isn't a great thing. So what we've got is we've got a series of waterproof renders. So our silicone top coats. So they are all waterproof, but at the same time, they are vapor permeable. So it does let moisture out from inside through the substrate and out of the render. The issue with having a non-breathable or non-vapor permeable top coat, which is waterproof as well, is that if there's moisture trapped there in between the layers, it can start to kind of try and force this waterproof render off the wall. So that's why vapor permeability is absolutely crucial. So as I've got here, I've got the silicon silicate render, the full silicon render, and then the Premium Bio Silicone Render. So all three of these are vapor permeable and all three are waterproof. The Premium Bio Silicone is ultra hydrophobic. So when any kind of water drops onto the surface, it forms large globules and they just roll straight off. These two are as well, but to a kind of lesser extent. So we're going up from the silicon silicate to the silicon and into the premium in terms of quality. So what you've got a base coat of EWI 225 or 269, and they are a kind of waterproof base as well. So they have that vapor permeability, and then you've got this top coat as well, which just basically seals the deal. And it keeps that moisture away so that your property can stay nice and fresh, nice and dry, but also looking great. So there you go.